Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Indian politics related questions. These questions will be very helpful in all the competitive exams. So now we will see the questions along with the answers in detail.
First question. Which article of the Constitution abolishes untouchability? Options are Article 18, Article 14, Article 15, Article 17. Answer is option 4, Article 17. Next. Which one of the following article deals with the appointment of judges? Options: Article 214, Article 216, Article 226, Article 217. Answer is option 3, Article 226. Next. Which was the first Indian state to establish the institution of Lokayukta? Options: Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh. Answer is option 3, Maharashtra. Next. Which of the following committee suggested to incorporate fundamental duties in the Constitution? Options: Malhotra Committee, Narasimhan Committee, Raghavan Committee, Swaran Singh Committee. Answer is option 4, Swaran Singh Committee. Next. Which of the following are fundamental duties? Options: safeguarding public property. Option 2. Protecting the sovereignty, integrity and unity of India. Option 3. All of the above. Fourth option, developing scientific temper and humanism. Right answer is option 3, all of these. Next. In which part of the Indian Constitution the fundamental rights are provided? Options are Part 5, Part 4, Part 2, Part 3. Correct answer is option 3, Part 2. Next. Which of the following article of the Constitution contains fundamental duties? Options: 30B, 42, 51A, 45A. Correct answer is option 3, 51A. Next. Which of the following articles guarantees equality before law and equal protection of law for all individuals residing within the territory of India? Options: 17, 15, 18, 14. Answer is option 4, 14. Next. The fundamental duties are mentioned in which of the following? Options: Part 4, Part 3, Part 4A, option 4, in Schedule 4A. And the answer is option 1, Part 4. Next. Which one of the following is true about High Courts? Options: it has original and appellate jurisdiction. Option 2. It enjoys the power of judicial review. Option 3. All of these. Option 4. It acts as a court of law. And the answer is option 3, all of these. Next. High Court issue rights under which article? Options: 213, 226, 221, 220. Correct answer is option 2, 226. Next. The fundamental duties are included in the Constitution by which of the following act? Options: 42nd Amendment Act, 43rd Amendment Act, 44th Amendment Act, 48th Amendment Act. Correct answer is option 1, 42nd Amendment Act. Next. Which of the following is correct with respect to right against exploitation? Options: prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Option 2. Equality before law. Option 3. Protection of interest of minorities. Fourth option: freedom as to payment of taxes for the promotion of any particular religion. And the answer is option 1. Prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Next. National emergency is declared under which of the following articles? Options: Article 358, Option 2, Article 359, Option 3, Article 352, and fourth option, Article 360. Answer is option 3, Article 352. Next. The Chief Justice and other judges of the High Court are appointed by which of the following? Options: Governor, President, Chief Minister, Prime Minister. Answer is option 2, President. Next. At present, how many High Courts are there in India? Options: 28, 25, 21, 29. Right answer is option 3. There are 21 High Courts in India. Next. Who appoints the Lokayukta and Upalokayukta? Options: Chief Minister. Option 2. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Third option, Governor of the state. Fourth option, Judges of High Court. And the answer is option 3, Governor of the state.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.